Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope so you are fine. Open your science book, page number 22. Heredity and variation. Every species has characteristic features of shape and structure by which it can be recognized and identified. We all have same characteristics of our parents. The study of inherited characteristics is called heredity. Inherited characteristics इसका मतलब है कि आपकी जो खसूसियात जो आपको आपके वालिदैन से मिलती हैं उनको हम इनहेरिटेड करेक्टरिस्टिक्स कहते हैं और तमाम जानदार जो हैं वो अपने वालिदैन से मुशाबत रखते हैं, इसलिए हम इस अमल को हेरिडिटी कहते हैं. द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ दीज करेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय स्मॉल पार्ट्स कॉल्ड जीन्स विच आर लोकेटेड ऑल अलोंग द क्रोमोसोम्स. ये सब कुछ जो है वो जीन की बदौलत होता है. जीन जो है वो क्रोमोसोम्स के साथ जो है वो हमें दिखाई देते हैं. ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव सिमिलर फीचर्स बट दे आर नॉट एग्जैक्टली अलाइक. तमाम इंसानों की जो खसूसियात हैं वो एक जैसी हो सकती हैं लेकिन वो बिल्कुल एक जैसे नहीं हैं. डिफरेंस इन हेयर कलर, हाइट, वेट एंड स्किन कलर आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिफरेंट दैट वी कॉल वेरिएशन. इनमें हमारे पास हेयर कलर, हाइट, वेट, स्किन कलर जो है वो डिफरेंट होता है, इसको हम वेरिएशन यानी तब्दीली कहते हैं. Now come on page number 23. The students in a class can be arranged in a line from the shortest to the tallest. Their height shows continuous variation. It varies from short to tall with many small differences in between. Characteristics that are distinct such as blood group show discontinuous variation. You can belong to any one group A, B or O. People can roll their tongues or they cannot. There is in between state. Color blindness is another example of discontinuous variation. इसमें आपको जो है वो कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन में आप देखते हैं कि क्लास में आप जो है वो असेंबली में जब जाते हैं तो बच्चे जो हैं वो शॉर्टेस्ट टू टॉलेस्ट की तरफ जो है वो अरेंज होकर खड़े होते हैं. इसको हम कहते हैं कंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन. डिसकंटिन्यूस वेरिएशन में हमारे पास जो है वो ब्लड ग्रुप, रोलिंग टंग की एग्जांपल और कुछ जो है वो कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की एग्जांपल आती है. सम करेक्टरिस्टिक्स आर नॉट इनहेरिटेड. कुछ करेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो है खसूसियात हमारे पास वो इनहेरिटेड नहीं होती, विरासती नहीं होती. यू आर नॉट बोर्न विद देम, यू पिक देम अप एज यू गो थ्रू लाइफ. लर्निंग हाउ टू स्विम और हैविंग अ स्केर ऑन योर चिन are acquired characteristics and you cannot pass them on to your children. Patterns of inheritance. At fertilization, a male reproductive cell joins up with a female reproductive cell to make a fertilized egg called a zygote. Each chromosome from male reproductive cell pairs up with a matching chromosome from the egg or ovum. This brings two sets of genes together. Genes always work in pairs. The genes in a pair may be identical or they may be different. Genes which are suppressed or dominated by the other genes are called recessive genes. A person with two identical genes for a characteristic is purebred or homozygous. For the characteristic, a person with two different genes or dominant one recessive for a characteristic is heterozygous for that characteristic. A child has black hair because of gene for black hair is dominant. It dominates the gene for blonde hair and produces the final hair color. Two plants of different flower colors like red and white we crossed and the resulting seed planted. All the seed germinates and reproduce red flowers, showing that that was the dominant characteristic which expressed itself in the first generation. White is the recessive characteristic which could not express itself in the process of the gene for red. Mendel's experiments. In 1865, George Mendel, an Australian monk, carried out simple experiments using garden peas. He noticed a number of different in their characteristics. For example, some varieties had short stem and others had long stems. Some had smooth seed coats and others had wrinkled seed coats. During this experiment, he carefully transferred pollens from the anther and pure breeding all plants to the stigma of pure breeding short plants. He collected the seeds from the plants, planted them, and carefully observed the growth of the new plant. He found that they were all tall, Clearly, the gene for tallness was dominant over the gene for shortness, and the offspring were therefore all tall. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास पेज नंबर 24 म्यूटेशंस यानी तब्दीलियाँ. समटाइम्स when cell divide the structure of a chromosome or a gene may be changed. These changes are called mutation. When gametes are formed in the reproductive organs, there is a chance that changes in the structure or number of chromosomes can take place. This will seriously affect the development of an organism. Down syndrome and hemophilia are the two diseases that are caused by mutation. Mutation can occur naturally. They can also be caused by X-rays, other forms of radiation, and by some chemicals. Next हमारे पास evolution तब्दीली. We have the millions of different living things come from. Scientists have provided the likely explanation that they were produced by evolution. Evolution means change and improvement from simple beginnings. The first living thing appeared on Earth about 3,500 million years ago. There were no more than bubbles full of chemicals, but they could reproduce. Some of the young were different from the parents, which meant they could survive better than their parents. Over million years, these changes are improvement led to all the different creatures alive today. And the theory how evolution take place was first put forward 100 years ago by Charles Darwin. Darwin suggested that point 1, there is variation within a population of living things. Point 2, there is a struggle for survival within population. And point 3, some individuals are better adapted to their surroundings. They are more likely to grow and reproduce. Others will die out. This is sometimes referred as the survival of the fittest. So, he concluded that particular organisms have been naturally selected from their population because they are better adapted than others. Evidence of evolution from fossils. When an organism dies, its remains decay and quickly disappears, but sometimes under certain conditions it remains are preserved as fossils. In time, the fossils become covered with layers of sediment. Since layers of sedimentary rocks are let down by the slow accumulation of materials, the lowest layers are usually the oldest and contain the oldest fossils. Sometimes the fossil record, as they are called, show a sequence of the possible line of evolution to present decay organism from an ancestor which lived millions of years ago. Such a fossil record have been found for ours, elephants, giraffes and camels. यहाँ तक आपने इस यूनिट की रीडिंग करनी है. अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ की समझ नहीं आती तो आप जो है वो सर हाशिम से उनके ऑफिशियल नंबर पर रब्ता कर सकते हैं और कोई भी क्वेश्चन इससे रेलिवेंट जो आपने पूछना हो वो पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ.